cooking, everyone? Today we are going to cook beef biryani, a classic taste of India, my favorite. So this is dedicated to my brother-in-law Isaac. Hi bro, and without further ado, let's cook. Okay, for the ingredient, 1 large onion, slice it thinly. Okay, tomatoes, around 4 to 5 pieces of tomatoes, lemon, garlic and ginger, mince it. In this case we use the food processor, around 1 bulb of garlic and around 30 grams of ginger. Put some olive oil to keep it fresh. It smells good. For our aromatics, 1 teaspoon of cloves, garam masala, coriander powder, cardamom, star anise, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, biryani masala powder, of course, salt, cinnamon bark. This is all 1 teaspoon, and bay leaf. So let's wash our rice. Make sure you use the long grain rice. Wash your long grain rice or basmati rice and soak it for about 30 minutes. Now let's prepare our rice. So the ratio is 1:1. And put in your cardamom and cinnamon powder, pepper, cloves, bay leaves, and put in your basmati rice. Usually it's 1:1 ratio. 1 cup of rice is 1 cup of water. And then cook it until it's soft. Don't overcook it because we will still cook it. And add some olive oil and cook your rice. Now let's marinate our meat. So get a pinch of all the aromatics. Here, turmeric powder, garam masala, cinnamon, masala powder, salt. Make sure you save the other spices for later. This is just for the marinade. So for our spices, mix in all the spices, half teaspoon of everything. Just look at the description for the detailed ingredients. Mix it together. Half cup of olive oil and saute our onion. until it's golden brown, and save the half for later for the garnish. So take a plate with towel to remove excess oil, and make sure your onions are brown. Put in the beef until golden brown. Oh yeah, it smells good already. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And now put in our garlic and ginger mixture. Mix thoroughly. Alright. Smells good. And put in all the remaining spices: cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, and pepper. I can already eat it like this. Okay, put in the tomatoes. No need to add bottled tomato sauce, just tomatoes. And 1 cup or 2 cups of water. Simmer it down. Break down the tomatoes and all the spices. Incorporate it very well, and we'll be back. Okay. Smells good. Now put in the remaining spices. Alright. And mix it well. I can eat this already like a stand-alone curry. Now let's put in our yogurt. I use Greek yogurt here, around 1 cup of Greek yogurt. And lemon juice, around 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Okay, simmer a little bit, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. And I think this is ready to go. Now chop your coriander leaves for our garnish. We want to put in half, and then later the half of our coriander leaves as a topping. So layer down your rice and your meat and steam it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we are done. Now just enjoy how I layer this, and here's a cool music for you. Add in your chili. Don't forget your chili and the remaining onions and the coriander leaves for the garnish. Okay, sounds good, looks good. Add in some butter for a more complex taste. And yeah, mix them together and we are almost done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click or like and subscribe and join our Facebook group. What's cooking? See ya.